What's up, you beautiful people? How are you guys doing today? Advance me a very happy Diwali. This is my Diwali gift guide, the ultimate quarantine edition. What y'all should not expect today is crockery, gift hampers, this jewelry and the clothing and decor and dry fruit and more chocolate and dairy. You should not expect this out of this video. This is quarantine pandemic edition. All of these gifts are pretty practical. Some may find this a little bit offensive, a few gifts out of these, and you may not be able to gift these to your friends, but I am guaranteeing you 110% you know somebody in your family who needs this right now, because we have been in pandemic for almost 6 7 months, 8 months now, and all of these gifts are pretty practical. So let's begin with this video. First category है grooming की waxing kit. I think this is a gift that I want to give to myself. Wax strips और just the waxing kit, जो pot आता है जिसमें आप wax गरम कर सकते हो and self wax कर सकते हो, because parlors and everything is shut down pretty much. So waxing kits, yes. Face razors, I cannot be grateful for this product to exist. 399 का I came across this 3 razors. Just smoothly razor हो जाता है चेहरे का, and I don't have to like go through so much pain of threading. Great product. Next up है men's grooming kit. Again, great gift for every man in your family, everybody in your office, whoever you know. Leaving a few of the products in the description box, check it out. Next up है the Philips hair trimmer. Philips के बहुत सारे अच्छे products है, especially hair trimmers में, and just check out, they have wide variety of products. Next category है beauty category. Of course I have to include this. I have tried to keep this as gender neutral video as I can, that is both men and women can use these products. Beauty category में I have number 1, face mask. Staring at the screen can make you feel dehydrated, your body dehydrated, your skin dehydrated. So put on a nice face mask. There's so many amazing hydrating face masks. Leaving it, check it out. फिर है आई मास्क हाइड्रेशन. ऑफ कोर्स आपकी आंखें इतनी ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, सो यू ऑल कैन गेट दिस पील जेली आई मास्क. They are so good. They're so good. Keep it in the fridge. ठंडा ठंडा होगा. You can just put it under your eyes. They are so good. Next up है eye makeup. Since we've been putting mask on our faces for so long that I don't feel the point of putting a lipstick on. So जो है आँखों का ही game है अपना. So I was initially thinking of giving you guys like a nice Huda ka palette and like Pack Cosmetic के brushes. They're so good. But no, I think let's stick to basics. एक अच्छा सा कोल पेंसिल ले लो and एक अच्छा सा मस्कारा. दोनों डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक्ड है. अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने दिए हैं. Simple, sober, I think looks really pretty. Next up है this nail kit. Manicure kit works beautifully, so well. I feel like with this pandemic we've been working so hard, and there are also good nail polish kits that y'all can check it out on Nykaa. I have again linked it. Next category है food. Look, I understand we have been in pandemic for so long that workout is not something on a forefront, and so we eat a lot and फिर constipation हो जाता है. So I have a few products that you all can gift to your sibling, to your friends, to your wife, to your mom, who don't get offended. Nobody, don't gift these to people who would get offended for sure. So gift this, keep this in your family is what I would say. Calming tea, lot of tea bags. Y'all can do like assortment of tea bags. There's so many amazing ones. Chamomile tea. Next up है multi-grain bar. There are always those lazy days where you don't want to cook and you just maybe get a protein bar and eat and just work it off. Of course you should not substitute your food with a protein bar, of course, but just एक आधा दिन होता है वैसा, यू डोंट वांट टू कुक। नेक्स्ट अप है इसबगोल। दिस इज 100% फाइबर। आपको गर्म दूध में 1 चम्मच मिला के पी जाओ, गारंटी मैं देती हूँ। यॉल बी ए ओके इन द मॉर्निंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन चला जाएगा। नेक्स्ट अप इज पॉपकॉर्न। अगैन ग्रेट if you know somebody who's constipated, or if you are, popcorn khao, it's a great anti-constipation product। ओट्स के इतने सारे अमेजिंग रेसिपीज है। ओट्स इज अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट। डार्क चॉकलेट ऑल्सो हैज़ वेरी हाई फाइबर। चेक आउट ऑल ऑफ दीज ग्रेट हाई फाइबर प्रोडक्ट्स। नेक्स्ट अप है टेक्नोलॉजी। ओ गॉड, कहाँ से चालू करूँ, बिकॉज मच नीडेड। फर्स्ट, ईयरफोन, हेडफोन, great essential products in pandemic, especially for people working from home. Y'all be needing this, I be needing this, so much going on around this house, we all need a good earphone। next up है office chair। भीख मांग मांग के अगर आप थक गए हो ऑफिस वालों को कि आप चेयर भिजवा दो, घर पे भिजवा दो, मे बी ऑल वांट चेक आउट Amazon, बिकॉज सेल चालू है चेयर्स पे। office chair, the ergonomic back supporting chair, you'll be needing it, because I feel with pandemic the working hours have increased from that 9-hour window to 12 to 15-hour window. That's what I know for a fact, which have happened to me, so I ordered one for myself। next up here, this laptop ergonomic stand. You need this. If you are somebody who's writing like this, I'm sure you'll be having the wrist pain very soon। I went to a physiotherapist because I had a severe shooting pain, neck, shoulder, hands. You don't want that. You need a ergonomic laptop stand, okay? Get that. You can also get like a ergonomic keyboard. Like if you're doing this, it should be this, like there should be some support underneath your keyboard, samjha, so that ergonomic keyboard is like very helpful for your wrist. It's all about the wrist game right now। then there are a lot of like these back supporting bands, like you can wear them so that आपकी back straight रहे। we have been sitting for forever during this pandemic, and we need some serious back support, or else after the pandemic ends अपन सब फिजियोथेरेपी में होगे। which by the way, I'm linking my physiotherapist Pooja's name and her email in the description box। she's on Zoom and on WhatsApp call if you all want to consult her। she's great, brilliant। she's young and she's like well updated with what's current। yeah, you need severe back support, okay? You need that, back braces। I'm gonna try and add a few links in the description box। all right, last product in this, I want to throw this is not tech related, but this is tech related। cold eye pack। okay, I know I wanted to include this because स्क्रीन टाइम इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, आईपैड, वॉच, just 24/7, that there is no time। Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, Hotstar, Sony Live, I don't know what else, there's so much going on with the eyes that I feel like we all need like a good nice eye pack to shut your eyes, to stay calm, just even for 10 minutes if you can do that। use a nice cold ice pack। I'm getting one for myself। next category has stationery। okay, stationery everybody loves, and you can gift dozen में you can give to all of your friends। so one, I'll suggest a journal, good journal for brain dumping। there's a lot going on around us, good, bad, ugly, worse। brain dumping is a technique where जो भी दिमाग में है सब dump कर दो journal में, everything, and it's just a good process to calm down and relax। that's the goal of it। so journaling, then you can also give them a lot of good novels, books, just the book category in general। refer to Goodreads if you're not sure what books to give, goodreads.com, or this time.com। times का ये है, every year they come out with this top 100 books का list। you can look into that list, 2019 ka list you can look into, and maybe buy a few books for your friend, for yourself, for your siblings, I don't know, for your wife. um, yeah. And third one, I think I want to throw in a tumbler, because hey, you got to stay hydrated, you got to remind your friends to stay hydrated. I know for a fact in my office nobody would ever get offended if I brought them a glass of water, because I want everybody to stay hydrated. Just a good act, just a reminder कि हम इतने ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं काम करने में कि वी डोंट रिमेंबर, वी आर सुपर डिहाइड्रेटेड, एंड देन फिर कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है. सो पानी पियो तो कॉन्स्टिपेशन नहीं होगा. ड्रिंक सम वाटर, लीविंग सम क्यूट टम्बलर ग्लासेस. You can do like a kit with like this calming tea bag and all that, tumbler, and just सब दो चार चीज़ें आप साथ में बाय करके दे सकते हो आपके फ्रेंड्स को. just a cute kit, like journal and pen and book and tumbler and to-do list, and yeah. Okay, last category, calm down, calm your stress. This is the category का नाम. अडल्ट कलरिंग बुक नंबर 1 ऑप्शन है. जस्ट काम डाउन, कलर लो, कलर करना चालू करो, लेट द थॉट्स फ्लो. चल रहे चलने दो, कोई बात नहीं, आप कलर लो और कलर करना चालू करो. ग्रेट, आई हैव ग्रेट बुक्स, लीविंग इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नेक्स्ट अप है पेपर टॉस. एक गमला ले लो अपने रूम में और छोटे छोटे कागज के गोले बनाओ एंड स्टार्ट throwing. छोटी छोटी, don't waste paper, of course I understand, don't waste paper. You can again use the same paper and then again start throwing. Just like sort of game to distract your mind, to calm your mind, if that it's okay, life goes on. It's just a good game, just focus on the game, that's all. Yeah. Next up है cards. Cards relax me absolutely, like just shuffling, the act of shuffling the cards, shuffling the deck, just it's so calming and relaxing. There's so many incredible games as well that you all can play with your family during, especially during pandemic. Leaving again the links in the description box. Next up है puzzle pieces. Those वो जो jigsaw puzzle होते हैं ना, 1000 piece puzzle, 500 pieces, oh god, I love puzzles, I love good puzzles. Just lay it down on your farshi table जहाँ पे भी and start putting the puzzles together. It's just a great way to decompress your mind and just relax. And अच्छा सा कुछ jazz music सुनो, lo-fi music सुनो, lo-fi hip hop background में, and अच्छा सा एकदम chill. Yeah. Last, I think last gift idea is a Rubik's Cube. Again, it's a great one. I love this category of calming your stress down. Y'all can even get that stress ball to calm down. Fidget spinner. There are a lot of options in this category, but these are like my top 5. I hope you have found this video informative. This was absolutely a quarantine edition. I hope I did not offend anybody of you guys, but just I want to keep this as practical as I can. If you want to see a proper Diwali gift guide, you all can watch some amazing people out there. Like Haley Halls का एक है, Haley Ved का एक है, Momcom India का. Like there's so many great gift guide video out there. But this was my quarantine edition. I hope you've enjoyed. Please give this a video a huge thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm a daily vlogger. I vlog a lot. See you in my vlog. Aaju.